Let's proceed to practice problem number 17. Discuss the role of cortisol in body temperature regulation during stress. Given cortisol is a stress hormone. Required its role in thermoregulation. So solution. Cortisol affects metabolism and immune response. The final answer, cortisol helps adjust body temperature during stress by influencing energy use. Number 18. Explain how both systems respond when a person exercises vigorously. So we're given vigorous exercise raises body temperature. Required system response. So solution. Nervous system triggers sweating. And then the endocrine system boosts metabolism and adrenaline. So the final answer, both systems regulate heat production and loss to maintain balance during exercise. Number 19. Describe how the nervous and endocrine systems respond when the body is exposed to high fever. So we're given fever elevates temperature. Required interaction of systems. So solution. The nervous system raises set point, and then endocrine hormones adjust metabolisms. So final answer, both systems coordinate to maintain elevated temperature as defense against infection. Number 20. Discuss the importance of maintaining homeostasis in body temperature regulation. So, given homeostasis maintains balance, so required importance in temperature. So, solution, stable temperature ensures enzymes and cell functions properly. So the final answer, homeostasis in thermoregulation keeps the body functional and prevent damage. MCQ for our quarter 3 biology lesson 6. Keeping balance. How the nervous and endocrine systems regulate body temperature. Number 1. Which part of the brain primarily detects changes in body temperature? Letter A, cerebellum. Letter B, hypothalamus. Letter C, medulla oblongata. Letter D, pituitary gland. Number 2. What type of receptor detects changes in temperature? Letter A, mechanoreceptor. Letter B, thermoreceptor. Letter C, photoreceptor. Letter D, chemoreceptor. Number 3. When body temperature rises above normal, which response is triggered by the nervous system? Letter A, shivering. Letter B, sweating. Letter C, increased hunger. D, vasoconstriction or vasoconstriction. Number 4. Which hormone promotes water retention that indirectly affects body regulation? Letter A, insulin. Letter B, ADH. Letter C, thyroxine. Letter D, cortisol. Number 5. The nervous system responds to heat stress by sending signals to A, skeletal muscles for shivering. Letter B, sweat glands for perspiration. Letter C, kidneys for urine formation. Letter D, lungs for oxygen exchange. MCQ number 6. During response to cold, which immediate nervous response occurs? A, sweating. B, vasodilation. C, shivering. D, decreased heart rate. Number 7. Which endocrine gland releases hormones that increase metabolism and heat production? Letter A, adrenal gland. Letter B, pancreas. Letter C, thyroid gland. Letter D, pituitary gland. Number 8. Which of the following best explains how the endocrine system supports thermoregulation? Letter A, by initiating immediate muscle contractions. Letter B, by releasing hormones that adjust metabolism. Letter C, by conducting electrical impulses to organs. Letter D, by sending signals through spinal reflexes. Number 9. Vasodilation of blood vessels near the skin helps regulate temperature by A, conserving heat. Letter B, releasing heat. Letter C, blocking sweat production. D, increasing shivering. Number 10. Which nervous system division is most active during heat stress? Letter A, parasympathetic. B, sympathetic. C, somatic. D, central. Number 11. Which hormone increases metabolic rate and heat production during prolonged cold exposure? Letter A, insulin. Letter B, epinephrine. Letter C, thyroxine. Letter D, estrogen. Number 12. The hypothalamus communicates with sweat glands through which pathway? Letter A, hormonal secretion. Letter B, autonomic nervous system. Letter C, reflex arc in spinal cord. Letter D, endocrine feedback. Number 13. Which body response is an example of nervous and endocrine systems working together? A, sweating only. B, shivering only. C, increased thyroxine secretion and shivering. Letter D, vasodilation only. MCQ number 14. Why does shivering increase body temperature? Letter A, it traps heat on the skin. Letter B, it reduces metabolism. Letter C, it produces heat through muscle activity. Letter D, it decreases blood circulation. Number 15. Which part of the endocrine system helps maintain long-term body temperature balance? Letter A, pancreas. B, thyroid gland. C, pineal gland. D, adrenal medulla. Number 16. During fever, the hypothalamus resets body temperature balance through A, nervous signals to sweat glands only. B, endocrine signals to the pancreas. C, nervous and hormonal regulation. D, reflex signals to the spinal cord. Number 17. Which hormone is primarily involved in regulating basal metabolic rate and heat production? Letter A, cortisol. Letter B, thyroxine. C, insulin. D, ADH. Number 18. Which of the following is a short-term response to cold stimuli? Letter A, increased thyroxine release. Letter B, sweating. Letter C, shivering. Letter D, increased metabolism. We will have the next part of our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 6.